Hello students, as we all know that we are living in computerized environment where we should aware about the features of technologies that we are using in our electronic devices. So here you are well aware about the computers, and now we are going to discuss about the mobile technologies. Means that what types of technologies are coming in the new generation that we'll discuss one by one. So here first technology we will discuss, that is your SMS. That means short message service. I think you all know that what is called an SMS. SMS are such type of textual message or information that you want to share, you want to send from one device to any other device. Means from one electronic device to any other electronic device. That type of SMS messages are having limited number of characters to send the message. Means that in SMS normally it provides 160 characters. In SMS only 160 characters are possible to send by a one message from one device to any other device. If you are writing a message that is having too much characters, like that is having for example 300 characters, if you want to send a message that is having 300 characters, so this message couldn't be sent from one device to other device in a form of message or in a form of SMS. It couldn't be sent because that SMS allowed only up to 160 characters. But some new devices are coming into market. What they are doing, that if you are typing 300 characters SMS, then these 300 characters will be break down in different parts. Means first SMS will be of 160 characters, that will be first SMS, and after that how many characters are remaining? 140 characters. Automatically second message will be sent. Automatically second message will be sent to one device to another device that will have their 140 characters. So such type of textual message can be sent via short message service. Now next service is here, that is MMS, and the abbreviation for this MMS is here multimedia messaging service. This is also a type of messaging service where we send a message, but that message will not have only textual in a form. That message will have different types of medias that we are sending in a form of MMS. Means that when we want to send a picture, video files or any other different types of files that are having their graphics into their form. So when we want to send some graphical files like audio, video, pictures and etc., at that time we need to have MMS type of technology, that is a multimedia messaging service. Now generation, normally all smartphones are coming here with this technology that are having MMS system, to which you can send a picture, like in WhatsApp, in Facebook you can share pictures, you can share audio files, video files, animated files, graphics, GIF, different types of files you can send. So these type of technologies are used to send multimedia files. Now next thing is coming here, that is called 3G. I think you have listened the name 3G, 4G, 5G, like these type of things are here. Full form is here, that is called third generation. So what about the third generation technology that we are using, that we were using, but now we are using 4G. But what about the 3G technology? In this 3G technology what we are using, and what about the first G or 1G or 2G, that we also have to discuss. If we talk about here, that is 1G, and if we want to talk about the 2G, then what type of technologies were used in 1G and what type of technologies were used in 2G. So if we talk about here 1G technology, this type of technology that used analog smartphones, means these type of smartphones are used by the police department. That name you have listened, that is called walkie-talkie mobiles. Such type of mobile phones are using the technology that is based on the analog signals, or in that type of smartphones are called analog smartphones or analog cell phones. But if you talk about our 2G technology, that is for second generation, and these type of technology or these type of networks are used in digital smartphones, the smartphones that we are using in today's generation. So this type of technology were having the slowest speed compared to that we were using 3G technology. As we can say that in 3G technology, the total speed of downloading and uploading of the file were 2 MB per second. that were very fast compared to 2G technology. But in this time, currently we are working or we are using the network that is a 4G network, that is too much fast, that is also fast compared to this 3G technology, means fourth generation technology that has come into the existence, that have their speed like 100 MB per second. So let's talk about 4G technology. So here if we talk about fourth generation of computers, in this technology or in this network, the speed of transferring the data for uploading or downloading, that is just about 100 MB per second. But the speed of the uploading and downloading was in third generation was what? That was 2 MB per second. But right now in fourth generation is what? That is 100 MB per second. But now latest technologies are also coming into existence that are known as 5G technology, that are not in India right now, but that will come after some time. In 5G technology, the data will be transferred during uploading or downloading not in MB per second, that will transfer in GB per second, that are called gigabyte per second. So this type of technologies are normally using in our India from the starting when mobile phones were developed. If you talk about the 3G and 4G, one more term, that if we are having a 3G cell phone, 3G smartphone, and if we are using that smartphone in 4G network, then it will be possible to use your 3G smartphone into 4G network, but the speed of in your mobile 3G mobile will come same as of your 3G network, because your smartphone will not support 4G network. And same as if you take an example one more for 3G networks, if we are having 4G mobile and if we are using that mobile in a 3G network, so then your smartphone will work, but the speed that will come into your smartphone, and your smartphone will not get the 4G speed in 3G network, because 3G network will not have the capability of 4G network. So 3G network will provide only 3G speed into your 4G mobile phone or cell phones. So these are the technologies that we have discussed for mobile technologies, and about next topic we will discuss in our next class or in next video.